Every single September that has closed green, October has offered double-digit gains. And in every post-halving year in Bitcoin's history, Q4 has gone parabolic. And right now, we're setting up for the exact same setup, and I'm positioning big in these altcoins. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Bitcoin has already tested the 20-week moving average, and the setup what we're seeing right now is one of the strongest I've ever seen. I even shared this inside my Discord last week when everyone was screaming that it was over, the cycle was over, you're losing money, I'm losing money, everyone's losing money. I opened up a $50,000 position. So I opened up that $50,000 position when Bitcoin was at 109,800 with a target of $115,000. So can anyone guess what happened since we tested the 20-week moving average? You're right, it bounced. What a shot. So it did bounce on a 20-week moving average, what we've been expecting for the last couple of months. Don't get me wrong, if we were to break lower than the 20-week, the 50-week would have to come into place. And whenever the 50-week moving average breaks, that's historically when the cycle has been over. As always, a quick reminder that none of this is financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm buying, what I'm looking at, and what projects I personally believe in. So first up on the list is Desync. It's just been listed on HTX and is trading currently around the 10 cents area. I've been accumulating this one during the lows especially over September. We did see it drop down to around 8 cents. But again, I see this maturing as the AI sector goes up. But I'm also really excited about a deep-in project called Anyone that have just rolled out a new update that everyone in the community was waiting for. The platform is now being monetized. Revenue from users is being used to buy back the Anyone token, then distributed to relays and the stakers. Earlier this week, we saw the token drop down to a major support around 30 cents, and it's already bounced back to around 55 cents. Right now, the market cap is just over $52 million. One thing I do love about Anyone is the fact they know they're so much bigger than just a crypto space, and they realize and appreciate that they're the entire internet and not just relying on crypto degens to keep themselves safe. They're keeping your mum safe, your grandma safe, and everyone in your family safe just by downloading the app on iOS or Google Play. So go check it out for yourself and keep safe online. So next up on the list is Spectra AI. This one has got one of the strongest charts in the entire AI sector, and right now it's sitting around the 18 million market cap. But here's why I really rate it. I actually use it every single day. Spectra AI has become one of my go-to for researching new projects, exploring different narratives, tracking the overall market conditions. And when I hold a token that I'm actively using in my workflow, that's when it becomes utility over vaporware, which is 90% of the rubbish on the market right now. Now let's move over to gaming, because one of the projects is absolutely ripping this week is Etzborg. It's already up over 100%, and I've fortunately had the privilege to talk to the team this month, and the updates and news which they're just about to drop this month is absolutely huge. It really is going to be October for everyone at Etzborg. And finally, two gaming projects I've mentioned a dozen times before, and they're worth mentioning again, is WagMe Games and Metacade. I'm still incredibly bullish on both of these for the long term. They're not just holding for the bull run, they're building for the next 5 years. And I genuinely believe that both of them will still be there. Right now, WagMe Games is sitting around a 9 million market cap, and Metacade is just under $20 million. Both are undervalued for what they are building. So those are the two I would personally pick up right now if I was rushing into the market and entering today. And before we wrap this up, I want to give you a quick bonus microcap, which is ChadFi. ChadFi is an AI-assisted trading platform. It's not automated. It doesn't just run random bots. Instead, it scans the market for smart money. It uses on-chain data, technicals, and even social signals to cut through the noise and highlight real opportunities. The team has just opened up the door for all users with the new release, and I think it's one of those early stage projects worth keeping an eye on. But as always, with microcaps, it's higher risk, high reward, but the upside potential here is huge. So here's the big picture. September just closed green. October has double-digit gains written all over it. We've just tested the 20-week moving average at 108,000 and bounced straight to 118,000, and we are getting ready for the biggest altcoin rotation of your life. It's going to be huge. In every Q4 of every post-halving year, we've seen that parabolic peak during November, December sort of time, and I don't see this year being any different. So stick around for the next couple of months, and I'm sure you'll be rewarded. Not financial advice. See you in the next one.